The TAS faculty subjects: Construction. Choosing construction as a subject for Year 11 and 12 can provide students with valuable skills and knowledge that are applicable in various fields. Here are some reasons why students might consider taking construction: practical skills. Development: students gain hands-on experience in building and construction techniques, which can be beneficial for future employment or personal projects. Career opportunities: the construction industry offers a wide range of career paths, including trades such as carpentry, plumbing, and electrical work, as well as roles in project management, architecture, and engineering.
Understanding of industry standards. Students learn about safety regulations, building codes, and industry standards, which are crucial for anyone looking to work in construction. Collaboration and teamwork. Many construction projects are completed in teams, helping students develop their collaboration and communication skills.
Pathway to further education. For students interested in pursuing higher education, construction can provide a solid foundation for related fields such as engineering, architecture, or urban planning. By choosing construction, students will complete and obtain the White Card Certificate and Certificate 2 in construction. All students must complete 70 hours of mandatory work placement.